the California quail. Unless you're expecting it, you're likely to be surprised by its appearance. This extravagant-looking upland bird is difficult to hunt and looks like it comes from some faraway land. But its native range? Well, it's found right here in the western United States. Weighing in at just 7 ounces and flying at reported speeds of over 55 miles per hour, this bird is tough to connect with for any shotgunner.
Another one.
Always reload.
Whoa. We didn't hit anything, did we?
No.
We have come to eastern Washington in search of this elusive bird, with a heavy focus on sagebrush-covered foothills and open woodlands. My confidence level on success is somewhere around a 6 out of 10.
Could not believe how fast it was.
They are insanely fast.
So we've extended our trip to include my favorite pastime,
There you go.
puddle duck hunting over decoys with a few great canine companions. Let's just see if we can add some quail meat to our duck pile.
Did I get that or did you get that?
Welcome to the Greenway Outdoors.